Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com. I'm making this video about the Telegram channel, and what it is that I just come to realize that there are a couple of Telegram channels are running under my YouTube channel name using my picture. Let me show it to you guys here. And I don't know who these people are. I have nothing to do with this channel. Like, for example, this one here, right there, you can see this My Forex Magic Wave, and this is my picture here. And this is the account. This is not my account. I never have anything like this. You see, what they're doing is that they are demanding money from people here, that you invest this much and you're gonna get you invest $2,000, you're gonna make $25,000. Okay. So that's how they are doing it. This is one of the channel doing the same thing. I believe that these are same people running two channels using this my name, the name of my channel, which is, let me show it to you, which is right here. See this? This is my YouTube channel. I'm on the back end. I'm inside the channel, right? Content, dashboard, all of that. So this is my channel, and this is the name of my channel, My Forex Magic Wave, and this is the picture. And that's exactly what they are using it. See this? My Forex Magic Wave and this picture. And this is not me. You know that I never offer something like this and then, showing cell phone. I hate trading on cell phone and looking at charts at cell phone at all. You know that. I've been here in the market for more than 12 years now. Right. So this is not me, definitely. And I just want to, give out a warning that don't be a victim of these people here. This is one, and this is the another channel here. And see the same thing. You invest 5,000, make 55,000. Invest 50,000, make 700,000. My God! So that's how they are, defrauding people on my name. I mean, I don't care who does what out there, right? But they're using my name and my picture. And my son contacted them, right? That's how he added this here. So he contacted them, and then he asked that, how can I make sure that you are Sam? And the guy says, yeah, I am Sam. Yeah. So, but be aware. Maybe there are more channels, but the only channel I have, okay, for you guys, I'm telling you, the only channel I have is under the name of my website, the new name, which is Creative Trading System, which you can see this name here all over my charts. Any chart you have it, and you see that name here. See, this is creativetradingsystems.com. So my Telegram channel name is Creative Trading Systems. That's the only channel I have, and everything else out there is fake. If you see my name, my picture, that is not me. Please be safe, and don't be a victim of these people. All right. So I'm going to send this video out everywhere. I will try my best. Now, another thing, somebody told me that I already contacted the Telegram people. They are not responding at all. So someone told me, one of my subscribers, he told me that if 15 to 20 people contact or not contact, but complain about these channels that they are fake, then the Telegram will shut them down. All right. So help me out here and help others, save other people. Stopping them from being a victim of these people, right? And start complaining about these channels. This one, any channel beside the Creative Trading System, is not mine. My picture, my name is all fake. This one and this one. So far, I found this. I'm trying to find, maybe there are more, right? But that's the warning that I want to give out. So I think I clear, I said enough and clear myself. And then I hope that you guys will complain to the Telegram people to shut these fake accounts down. All right. So this is it for now. I'm making all new charts for my subscriber now. This one, all the indexes and the pairs and all of that, and I'll be sending out before the end of Sunday. right? So that the new week we start with new charts and view setups. All right, so this is it for now. Like I said, this video is only about the Telegram channel fraud that is happening under my name, using my name and my picture. So help me out to stop these people. Thank you very much for your help, and talk to you guys later.